my god.
Alright.
So he's gonna make a mess if it blows. Yeah.
Yeah, but that's expected.
That's why you lower the hood a little bit, so that way when it splashes.
What is that? What is it? Show it to the camera. Alright.
Back a little bit.
You ready for this 75 one? This is a fresh bottle right here. I just pulled the lid off. 75 140. You ready for this?
Yeah, let's.
There she goes.
Damn. Guaranteed it's gonna fix the rod knot.
Oh, it's just the gear oil. This is such a waste of my money. Oh my god. Alright, what else should we put in there?
That alcohol right there.
Oh,
Mike's.
The cranberry?
Yes, that's Mike's hard liquor or lemonade.
Alright, well,
So
that's
let's
ready.
let's take it first real quick, let it drain to the bottom.
Oh, okay.
How long should I wait?
I don't know, it's thick. It's gonna take a while for it to get to the bottom.
Yeah, it's right.
Alright. Put the cranberry in.
Oh,
Damn! Damn!
So,
drink up!
ATF.
Oh.
Mike's cranberry. So for sure that's gonna wash down thick fluid and just make it force to go to the bottom.
Yeah. Okay, here's a rag. Your wife did this. More shit.
Wait, why don't we just fill it up with a fucking bucket?
Oh, you're not down. You're not
what
down.
bucket?
The bucket.
You're not
There's
down.
like 4 different types of liquids in there.
Where's the funnel?
Fall over the motor one day.
It's a fucking bucket. Oh, so nasty.
Because a really good American Pie flavor and smell. I mean, you're not gonna really drink it, but you know, fuck it.
Where's my funnel?
So here comes my retelling side. So simply what you do is just.
Where's my funnel? Oh, you're spraying in the motor?
What
It's
is
like
it?
oil mixed with apple
Ah,
pie.
I smell it. Oh my
You guys
god.
ready? Yep.
Oh, here we
Oh
go.
man, dude.
Oh.
Oh man.
You have something to stop it from going down? Any other stuff?
I don't know what.
Those are clumps. Those are clumps.
Ugh, dude.
Okay, it looks like we're good from there.
Just put coke in
so
there.
No. We don't want it to blow up with engine oil tips over. Oh my god, this is so nasty.
Oh, wait, watch out. Oh, that's something. That's melt shaving. Yeah, just fill in. Do you have something like poke it back?
Stop the gloves.
Yeah? Or anything else?
Oh, so gross.
Oh.
The glove goes inside.
They were all standing like super far
Hold
away.
on, let me get my phone. Where's my phone?
Yeah, that's fine. Blow it! Alright. Wow. It's running. Oh!
It looks like seized up.
Did it seize up already? Alright, start it again.
Where's your brake fluid? Brake here. I'm gonna start the intake.
No, it's got fuel.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, start it again.
Alright,
And then floor it as soon as you start it.
alright, let's blow this shit up.
It's not starting. It started a couple seconds ago.
I think it's just giving up now.
Nah, try it again. Try it again. Dude, it's so sounding so bad. Maybe we should have just put oil in it first just to make it start.
Someone else try it, someone else try it.
Alright.
I'm not a pro at this.
Nah, it's not even. Go. She started for like a couple seconds when you started it.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't notice because it didn't start.
Oh,
Nice.
what? Oh my god.
Damn.
Huh?
Want me to go more?
More? No.
Is
it done?
God damn.
Oh my god.
I found the trick.
What was it?
Floor it and you hold the key down all the way.
Oh, okay. Okay, give it more fuel, huh?
That
Oh my God,
was
it's smoky.
crazy.
You want to start?
Well, if you want to blow it up, do it. Yes.
I kind of do, but I kind of don't.
Why?
Damn.
You have fire extinguisher just in case?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh my god.
You see my car? It's a shield.
No.
Want more car cleaner? Huh? You want more car cleaner?
Sure.
Oh! Oh! Oh shit!
There's oil.
Oh, there's oil!
There's oil coming off the fucking cat.
Oh my god, it blew up!
It blew up.
It blew up! Oh!
Oh, it smells bad.
Oh, it blew up!
With the light.
Oh, it's all over the ground. Oh my god!
Where's it coming up from?
I don't know! Where's the cardboard? Oh my god. Can you get the hole?
Oh yeah, I got the hole.
Oh my god.
Oh, Myron. I don't know if Brandon told you, but I'm gaming on a 1080 right now.
Can we give her some more?
A custom water loop.
So give us some more?
Give us some more.
Seal, the main seal. And
See if
when
she
I
still
squirted
goes.
enough water,
Yup.
put it over the GPU.
Can you give her a break?
There's oil everywhere.
Just everywhere?
Yes.
Yo, I'm gonna send Luis that right now. Is that fine?
Yeah, send it.
Oh, it's sizzling.
my god.
It's sizzling.
I smell it. Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's everywhere. I wanted it to blow up some more. Oh my god. That is terrible.
They took the oil dipstick.
Dude, that means like everything we put in there is now blew up.
And this is between me, my cousin, and Jackie.
Just that.
Dude, this is so.
Do this.
Come on, Joseph. You got it. There you go. Oh my god. What do your cousins say?
Nothing yet. I think he's gonna go like this.